right click on project bin, right click, and here you'll see add title clip, add template title, or you can also go to project, and from here you can add template title, add template clip. So let's add
title clip, and from here this window will pop up. From here, the most important thing is when you want to increase the text, from here use the middle button on your mouse, and here we can change how to you can also grab it and move it to the other side if you don't want to, because this takes more time, it's slower. So just move different colors and a gradient. You can also add gradients. Okay, that's pretty useful sometimes, so why not? You can also add outline. You can just click on create title, and you created the title, and grab the title and move it to the timeline, and now you added the title in this editing software. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.